Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the Lloyds Bank Cashback Credit Card, and if you're thinking of getting one, you'll want to watch this first. So what's the deal with this card? The Lloyds Bank Cashback Credit Card is a simple and fuss-free way to earn a little extra while you spend. Whether you're shopping regularly or just want perks on everyday purchases, this one might catch your attention. Here's how it works. You earn 0.25% cashback on all your purchases. That's 25 pounds for every £100 you spend. It's straightforward, no complicated categories, and no signups required. But if you're already a Lloyds Bank current account holder and registered for online banking, there's an added bonus. You can access everyday offers. This is a program that gives you up to 15% cashback from selected retailers when shopping with your Lloyds credit card. That's an easy way to stack extra rewards on top of your base cashback. Now let's talk about the fees. The good news, there's no annual fee, so you won't be paying extra just for having the card. However, the representative APR is 22.9% variable with a purchase rate of 22.9 per annum. So as always, it's best to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Of course, there are a few downsides. The 0.25% cashback rate isn't the most generous. Big spenders might find better deals elsewhere. Plus, cashback is paid annually in January, so you won't see instant rewards. And if you carry a balance, the interest can easily outweigh any cashback you've earned. All in all, the Lloyds Bank Cashback Credit Card is a solid, no frills option for anyone who wants to earn something back on everyday spending, especially if you're already banking with Lloyds and can use those extra everyday offers. But if you're after higher cashback rates, it's worth comparing it with other cards on the market. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!